Welcome to the Phoenix Real Estate Week in Review for the week ending October 26th, 2019. My name is David Meek, real estate broker and host of the Arizona Report. Well, let's talk Greater Phoenix real estate statistics, calendar events, and trends. So typically October is a month that sees climbing inventory levels. However, according to Michael Orr's Cromford report, the inventory hitting the market in the last 3 weeks, the first 3 weeks of October across the Phoenix metro, is at its lowest level ever measured by the firm. Now, those numbers go back to at least the late 1990s. Inventory this month is 3% lower than last October, 3% lower. The last home that architect Frank Lloyd Wright designed in Phoenix sold this week at an auction for $1 million less than its most recent asking price. Bidding started at $750,000. The Norman Lykes house on the edge of the Phoenix Mountains Preserve sold for $1.67 million with no reserve. The residence sits on 1.3 acres and was designed by Frank Lloyd Wright in 1959, the year that he died. Here's a statistic that will blow your mind. Home builders are producing fewer single-family homes today than they were in the Valley back in 1996. And the population of Greater Phoenix has almost doubled since then. Single-family building permits for Maricopa and Pinal County combined are approximately 24,000 annually. To put that in perspective, in 1996, there were 29,598 single-family building permits issued to builders that year. That was 23 years ago. Builders cite today a lack of qualified labor to build homes as a major obstacle in this tight labor market. Purchase demand in the Valley this week is 5.3% above normal, but housing supply is 55% below normal levels. Sellers are watching their homes and the home prices rise rapidly, and buyers are wondering if they should buy a home and compromise on location and amenities just to have a hand in the game, or wait until the market prices ease again. If you're an investor, there was an interesting article this week in local media. According to KTAR.com, there's good news and bad news for home flippers in Phoenix. Our market has one of the quickest turn times of any market in the country. It ranked number 5 out of 149 housing markets surveyed. However, and this survey was conducted by Adam Data. However, flippers are operating here only at a 15.2% profit margin, which is the 4th lowest level of any of the 149 markets evaluated in the survey. So if you're a home flipper, you're selling them quickly, but you're not making a lot of money. On October 14th, Realtor.com ranked the Phoenix Metro as the number 7 out of 100 housing markets in the country for home flipping opportunity for investors. The survey considered markets with strong local economies, growing populations, and where flipped homes were selling the quickest. Mortgage rates have edged up only slightly this week. For Phoenix, Bankrate.com shows 30-year fixed mortgage rates holding firmly at 3.77% with an APR of 3.89%. Now that's for an owner-occupant home loan with 20% down and a 740 credit score. Your loan scenario may vary. Neighborhood home tours are filling up the calendar. The historic Roosevelt Home Tour 2019 is coming on Sunday, November 17th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tour homes from the early 1900s in the First Historic District in Phoenix. A trolley will circulate between the home stops during the day. For more information, visit rooseveltneighborhood.org/home tour, and I'll spell that for you, ROOSEVELT neighborhood.org/home tour. Tickets range in price from $16 to $20, and children 10 and under are free. The 2019 Phoenix Home and Garden Tour is November 9th. Tour 5 of Arizona's most distinguished multi-million-dollar homes in Paradise Valley, Arcadia, and Scottsdale from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tickets range in price from $85 to $185. More information online at phgmag.com. Well, that's another wrap for this week's Week in Review. My name is David Meek with Keller Williams Arizona Realty here in Phoenix. For more information on my thoughts about the Phoenix real estate market, be sure to see my website at arizonareport.com or call me here in the studio, 480-999-6683. That's 480-999-6683. Until next week, I'll see you then.